Hi, welcome back to Spring CS170. I'm just doing a quick video to cover populating arrays. It might be helpful for you, for some of you that might be having some problems with this on your assignment 8. So what I've done here, I've set up two arrays with 3 buckets in each of them. As you know, it starts off with 0, so it's like 0, 1, 2. So I set up two arrays, cars and SUV, and I just manually, well, not manually, I put into each of the buckets one by one, Honda, Toyota, Honda, Ford, Chevy, Chevy, right? So you populate each one and you set it to whatever you want, really. Okay, so I think it's very similar to what you're going to be doing on your assignment 8. And then I just did a display of both of those arrays. So one is the cars arrays and the other one is the SUV. And then just to kind of add on to it, I created an HTML, I created a button, and within the button, I can still access the cars array for the first element, car 0, and I set it to be an Audi. And then I just did an alert there to show the cars. Okay, so let's see what happens when I run this. Okay, so I run it, and you can see the cars has Honda, Toyota, Honda, right? Honda, Toyota, Honda, right? That's what you would expect. And then Ford, Chevy, Chevy. So Ford, Chevy, Chevy. Okay. So there you go. There's your array, 3 buckets in each of them, and I populated each of them with whatever value you want. Okay. I think you should be able to draw an analogy between that and what you're doing for your assignment 8. Okay. Now let's go over here where we have the button. So I set up a button here, pick car, right? And I basically set it to be Audi. What happens to the cars array when I do that? Well, there you go. The cars array, that first element became Audi, and then Toyota, Honda. Okay, so you can see very clearly how to define the array, how to put values into each of the buckets of the array. And in this case, I set an example of doing an on-click event, and within the on-click event, accessing that cars array and setting a value there for the first bucket. I hope this gives you a very clear picture of what you need to do when it comes to working on assignment 8. Okay, so thank you for your time.